Hey everybody, I want to show you this. This is a number 750-00030, and this is actually the old version of the cell. It's a solar cell, produces 6 volts at about 160 milliamps. And you can see here on the back side the way the connections used to be made. You got these pads in here where you would solder to it and then jumper over maybe to another cell that's adjacent to it, and put a little jumper wire in there, and so you can increase the voltage and or current depending on how you were to arrange the cells. Well, our newer version, taking its place, is the same physical size, but its connections are a little bit different. You can see that they're actually placed right out at the outer edges of the cell itself, which lends itself really nicely to being able to daisy chain them in some way. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to get twice the voltage. Just like batteries here, you stack them in series, minus plus, plus to minus, and so on and so forth. There you'll get 12 volts at about 160 milliamps. Alternatively, you put them like side by side like this, and you'll get the same voltage, 6 volts, but twice the current, about 320 milliamps. Neat thing is that the pads are so close together that you can simply create a little solder bridge right across there. So there's no hooking up little wires and spanning any distance. You just put a solder blob right across each one of those joints, and you can get twice the voltage and twice the current. This would produce 12 volts at about 320 milliamps. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to go ahead and get a little crazy here. I've got a little bit of soldering to do on my panel.